trying to keep you in my heart, but you kill me with your love. But I can't stay away, it has to be how it was. My addiction, my drug, I can never get enough. And I don't know why, in my heart you just stay. No matter how many different girls I'm with every day, I'm terrified for the night that you turn around and say that you want me back. How could that work in any way? We've been through it all, we've been hit the floor, rock bottom, but girl, I never thought we'd fall. And my stomach just drops whenever I see you call. Feelings go nowhere, they grow more and more. Now should I pick up this phone or should I let it ring? Staring at it going off makes my heart just sink. What could she want? In my mind, I just think that if I take this call, I'll be back to the same things.
You're my poison, I can't get you out of my system. No, no, I can't be with them. But something pulls me right back to you. It's so wrong, but it's right. I don't know what to do.
I gotta get back to the old me. Love killing me slowly. It's getting so big, my friends don't even know me. Everything you say means nothing, just show me. Cause what you do doesn't correspond with what you told me. You say you can't improve it, this time don't lose it. Don't make me feel like taking you back was stupid. Already have my doubts of everything I am doing, but I can't help it cause my poison I am choosing.
You're my poison, I can't get you out of my system. No, no, I can't be with them. But something pulls me right back to you. It's so wrong, but it's right. I don't know what to do.
Now I'm back at square one, everything's starting over. The cycle continues, damn man, I should know it. Didn't dig me and you can get any lower. Get rid of this poison, girl, I gotta show you that I can move on, be strong, you should do it too. But that doesn't mean I'm not gonna think of you. But we just don't work out, there's nothing we can do. We can't run no more, girl, gotta embrace the truth. Damn, we did what we did what we should. Work this thing out, girl, I wish that we could. We made it through the pain and strong we stood. Work this out, girl, I can't believe I thought we would. Gotta take a love, put it up on the shelf. Gotta delete your number, any little thing could help. Gotta get rid of all these feelings I felt. Time to release the bruising, cause I only hurt myself.
You're my poison, I can't get you out of my